Hey guys, I hope you all are doing really well. If you read my blog, you would see the number of treatments my hair has been through. My hair has basically been through everything in this world, right from a lot of chemical treatments, hair smoothing, hair straightening, coloring, bleaching, everyday heat styling and whatnot. So basically I put my hair through a lot of torture, and because of this they have really become very fragile, dry and damaged. And while I like to do all these experiments with my hair, I also make sure that I really take care of them. And if you see, I have tried a lot of shampoos and conditioners which are available there in the market, except Pantene. The reason I've never tried Pantene is because my best friend in school was using Pantene and she got a terrible hair fall, and she thought it's because of Pantene, and I swear that I would never use Pantene for my hair until recently. So Pantene contacted me one day and they asked me to do a very simple experiment with my hair. So the experiment was that I had to touch my hair and tell them whether my hair makes me frown or they make me smile. As you guys know, my hair are not in a condition that would make me smile, so of course I was not really happy with the condition of my hair. So they asked me to take a simple 14 days hair challenge wherein I would actually see my hair being transformed from a frown to a smile. While I was a little apprehensive in trying Pantene for my hair, I thought that it's just 14 days, and since I love to experiment so much, why not give it a try. First step in this shampoo and conditioner by Pantene. This is the Pantene Pro-V Total Damage Care 10 with keratin damage blocker shampoo and conditioner. So they gave this to me and asked me to take the 14 days hair challenge, and while the brand was really confident about the transformation, I was not very sure whether it could really take care of my damaged hair. So I thought of documenting the entire 14 days journey. So I have clicked a couple of pictures for you guys. So here are the pictures. So what do you guys think? I know, right? Even I couldn't believe that just a shampoo and conditioner can make such a drastic difference. Since I've never used Pantene and I heard so much about it, if I hadn't documented this entire 14 days journey, I would have never believed that Pantene has made a hell lot of difference to my hair. I really like the shampoo and conditioner duo. I also really like the packaging. It comes in a very basic packaging with a flip cap. So for someone like me who's very clumsy and I keep on losing the caps of my bottles all the time, this is really handy. The only issue I have that these bottles are very identical, so it becomes very difficult to differentiate the shampoo and conditioner in the shower. So I wish that there was a different color bottle or something. So that is the only issue I have with this packaging. Otherwise it has a very pleasant fragrance, and I personally like my shampoos and conditioner to have a bit of fragrance because it really makes my hair smell nice and make me feel fresh all day long. So I really like the fact that it has a mild fragrance. The fragrance is not over the top and it does linger in my hair for quite some time, but then it just fades off after that. The texture of the shampoo is not very thick, neither it's very runny, so it's like the perfect texture. It lathers really well and it also cleans my hair and scalp really well. For someone who has an oily scalp, this shampoo would be enough for you. It's quite moisturizing itself, but for someone like me whose hair is very dry and damaged, I really recommend you to use it with a conditioner because these together work wonders. I mean, these together really make my hair feel so soft, so smooth. It helps me detangle my hair really quickly. It takes care of my frizz. While I have not noticed a lot of difference in my split ends, it has definitely helped me reduce my hair fall, which is amazing because who doesn't like a shampoo and conditioner which stops your hair fall? So this is incredible. And the best part, these are so very inexpensive. The shampoo is priced at 155 bucks and the conditioner is for 139 rupees. So this is literally nothing. So we used a lot of shampoos and conditioner that are way more expensive than this and the results were nowhere close. So it's totally a value for money. I mean, at such an affordable price you get such a high quality shampoo and conditioner. And lastly, I am so happy that I took this 14 days hair care challenge from Pantene. I have really seen a huge transformation in my hair from the first day towards the 14 days. And I would highly recommend these to you guys. Well, I'm so glad that I took this Pantene challenge. I really want you guys to go ahead and try this duo as well. So I've organized a very fun and interesting competition for you all. All you're going to do is touch your hair and let me know whether it makes you frown and smile. If it makes you frown or smile, click a selfie and send it to me using the hashtag Pantene Difference and Hina's challenge. I will put all the details in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And I really hope that you guys would enjoy using these products as much as I did, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.